Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing applications for you, and these applications you have to install in your girlfriend, your friend, your family member's phone right now, and that is very useful and very important. I'm gonna tell you why. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first application in my list is that is Track It Even If It Is Off. Yes, this is a very useful application for your family, for everyone. So when you open this application, it is open up like this. This is the Hammer Security. Actually, this application is the best application for the security purpose. This application will work in that situation if you get some kind of emergency, you are stuck in a situation where you need some help from your friends or from your relatives. So that point of time, this application really helps you. Let's suppose you have an emergency situation and somebody has taken your phone. So what exactly he can do? He can able to shut down your phone. He can put your phone on airplane mode, or he can lock all the application, or anything wrong happened with you, like your car got collided with anyone, anything happened, this application automatically get activated on your phone, and this application automatically send some SOS messages to your emergency phone numbers immediately, so that your friends and your relative get alert that there is a problem with your friends or your girlfriend. This is very important, because nowadays these kind of activities are very much increasing. So you have to have this application in your family member's phone or in your phone as well. The moment anyone try to shut down your phone, there is a fake shutdown in this application automatically get done. The moment he will try to turn off your phone, there is automatically a message goes to your friend. And in the same way, if we put your phone on airplane mode, again there is a message goes. Or your car collided with anyone or any accident happened, then again this application get activated and send a emergency message to your friends, so that your friends, your relatives get alert. So this application from my side, it is very useful and very important to keep it in your phone, and there are so many of features. I'm sure you will surely like it once you start using it. So try this application, link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application is also very useful, and the application name is Phone Doctor. Yes, this is also very important. Let me tell you why. Because if your phone is not working properly, or if you try to buy any old phone or any one phone, then you must try this application before you buy that phone, because this application will let you know this phone is okay or not. First thing is your device detail. It will give you the device detail, what is the hardware of this phone, what is the software, and what is the battery value of this phone as well. And in the same way, you can also click on this phone report and start the diagnose here, and one by one you have to check all these things in your phone, which will let you know that phone is working fine or not. Then this application immediately let you know that there is a problem in your phone. You don't need to buy that phone, any old phone. And you can see this one, this is the report of that phone as well. You will be getting the proper report of that phone. You can also check the hardware text as well, like all this thing, that is your screen is working fine, mic is working fine, receiver, camera, everything. You can one by one check any phone whenever you try to buy any old phone. So this application I really like, because with this application I can come to know my phone is working fine or not, or is there any problem. So try this application as well. Link of both application I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to these application, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.